Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Neeraj Desai, Madam Swati Desai, Guest of Honor, Mr. Priyank Jain, the directors of our institution, esteemed members of the School Managing Committee, our dedicated staff, ever supportive parents, and my dear spirited students. It fills me with immense pride and profound joy to welcome each one of you this evening. Tonight, as we gather for the much awaited annual day celebration of Birla Open Minds International School Indore, we celebrate not just an event, but a journey, a vibrant story of dreams, growth, and achievement that defines who we are. BOMIS is more than an institution, it is a living sanctuary of holistic education where the head, heart, and hands work in perfect harmony. Our philosophy goes beyond books and classrooms. It stands firmly on the pillars of values, vision, and a forward-thinking approach that aims to shape responsible, compassionate, and confident global citizens. Here, every child is encouraged to dream big, to aspire higher, and to achieve with purpose. We nurture not just learners, but thinkers and doers. Young mind Young minds who can question, create, and lead with courage. For us, excellence is not merely a goal, it is a way of life, reflected in every classroom discussion, every creative performance, and every achievement, big or small. This year marked another glorious milestone in our journey, the beginning of our senior secondary classes. It stands as a proud reminder of our commitment to provide a truly world-class education, one that prepares our students to meet the challenges of tomorrow with strength and grace. Every milestone we achieve is not just progress. It is a dream realized, a promise fulfilled, and a step closer to the vision we hold for our children. As we reflect on the year gone by, our hearts are filled with gratitude. Gratitude for the trust and faith of our parents whose support propels us forward. Gratitude for our teachers who pour their heart and soul into shaping every learner's journey. And above all, gratitude for our students. The reason this institution breathes life and purpose every single day. So tonight, let us celebrate not just achievements, but effort. Not just milestones, but memories. Not just success, but the spirit that makes Birla Open Minds International School a family, united in purpose, driven by passion, and destined for greatness. As Swami Vivekananda so powerfully said, arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is reached. This timeless mantra truly reflects the spirit of our homicides. Young learners who understand that success is not a final destination, but a continuous journey of growth, learning, and excellence. At BOMIS, strong academics form the very soul of our institution. We remain steadfast in our pursuit of academic excellence, a pursuit driven by passion, discipline, and determination. Our students continue to raise the bar each year, providing that consistent effort and resilience lead to outstanding results. The academic year 2024-25 was indeed a moment of pride for all of us. This last year, in 24-25, we had class 10th with 16 students, and we achieved a 100% result, a shining testament to the dedication of our students and teachers alike. Highlights of academic achievements: 2 students score above 95%, setting a benchmark of brilliance. 8 students secured above 80%, showcasing determination and consistency. And the average of the total, all 17 students, was more than 65%, that reflecting perseverance and hard work. And every single student achieved first division, of course, because the average was more than 65%, reaffirming our belief that excellence, when nurtured with care, becomes a habit. These achievements are not just numbers. They are stories of effort, focus, and belief. Each mark, each milestone tells us that when passion meets perseverance, success naturally follows. This year too, under the guidance of our exceptional academic mentors, our students have continued to embrace challenges and scale new heights of excellence. A careful analysis of the half-yearly examination results reveals remarkable progress when compared to the periodic test 1 outcomes, a clear reflection of our learners' growing commitment, discipline, and perseverance. To support every student's growth, we have introduced targeted remedial and enhancement classes, ensuring individual attention and guidance. With the dedication of our teachers and the consistent efforts of our students, we are confident they will achieve and even surpass their goals. I am proud to share that our students have excelled in prestigious national and international examinations, including the National Science Olympiad, International Mathematics Olympiad, International English Olympiad, National Cyber Olympiad, and IOQM. Many have advanced to the next levels, reflecting not just academic brilliance, but also a passion for learning and a competitive spirit. Together, we continue to nurture intellectual rigor and holistic growth, preparing our students to embrace the future with confidence, curiosity, and character. In the world beyond classrooms, in sports, science, and creative arenas, our students have once again made us immensely proud. They have showcased brilliance, determination, and creativity in every field. If pride were an energy source, I could light up the entire city tonight. This spirit of inquiry thrived as our young scientists of grade 7 and 8 participated in the Junior Science Bal Vigyan at DPS Nipania and proudly brought home the Best Research Award. At the Sub-Junior Science Congress 2025 held at Vidyasagar School, our innovators once again made their mark, earning the Best Performance Award, a celebration of curiosity and creativity in full bloom. Our linguistic stars sparkle at the state level spell bee. Yashvi Mandiwal secured the second position, while Bhavil Deshmukh earned the fourth, providing that words, when spoken with confidence, have the power to inspire. Avi Sharma of grade 10th displayed sheer analytical brilliance, qualifying for the International Youth Math Challenge, a proud moment of global recognition. In the world of strategy and intellect, Hare Ram Gangele, grade 3, and Hare Krishna Gangele, grade 6, triumphed in multiple chess championships. Hare Ram also secured the 4th rank at the Chess Gurukul tournament, and Nikunj Gandhi, grade 8, brought home the runner-up trophy at the 20th state level UC Mass Abacus competition. Inter-school events and competitions, our students shone brilliantly across a spectrum of prestigious inter-school platforms, showcasing eloquence, intellect, and creative flair. From poem recitation, debate, elocution, and speech competitions to model United Nations, youth parliaments, and student conclaves, their performance echoed confidence, conviction, and clarity of thought, earning them well-deserved laurels and admiration. A moment of immense pride came when our students performed at the Delhi College during the centenary celebration of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, where their exceptional presentation received resounding praise and applause from all quarters. The sports arena became a stage for courage, strength, and resilience as our young athletes brought home numerous laurels. Manas Dubey clinched double bronze in kata and committee at the MPFS KAIF Open Karate Championship. Sadhya Verma, grade 5, shone brilliantly with a gold in girls category and a silver in individual kata at the USKI Open Gold Cup State Level Karate Championship, along with multiple medals in other state and open karate events. Samriddhi Singh brought home gold from the Indore District Siko Kai Karate Championship. Adhishri Maurya secured silver at the same championship, a remarkable achievement at such a young age. Tanya Nag, grade 4, earned silver in 30 kg category at the National Taekwondo Championship, demonstrating precision and grit. Jaibir Singh Thakur achieved bronze at the District Inter-School Shooting Championship, showcasing focus and determination. Vidhan Joshi was honored as the best cricket player at the Indo-Nepal Sports Meet, exemplifying teamwork and leadership. Ojas Mishra, grade 6, reached the quarterfinals of the All India Junior Tennis Tournament and emerged as runner-up in the All India Junior Tennis Championship, providing his dedication and competitive spirit. Ranveer Singh Thakur, grade 7, proudly secured first position in category 36 kg weight at the Mahapaur Kesari Kushti Pratiyogita, embodying strength, discipline, and perseverance. Our budding chess masters showcased their strategic brilliance at the Shri Indu Bhai Dave Memorial Chess Tournament held at the Shishikun International School, Indore. Representing the school in the under 12 and under 14 boys category, the team displayed remarkable skill and won accolades. Each of these shining stars in academics, science, language, dance, music, intellectual pursuits, and sports reflect the spirit of passion, perseverance, and excellence that defines every Bomesites. They inspire us, they motivate us, and they remind us that the future truly belongs to those who dare to excel. At Bomis, learning goes hand in hand with responsibility and care for the world around us. Plantation drives and eco-club activities nurtured environmental awareness and responsibility. Mini master exhibitions encourage sustainable creativity through eco-friendly art. In collaboration with Shankara Eye Hospital, eye checkup camp was conducted to ensure students and staff well-being. Together, these initiatives reflect our commitment to building responsible and compassionate global citizens. Celebrations breathe life into our souls, uniting us in joy and shared purpose. At Bomis, we have cherished every opportunity to celebrate, embracing the spirit of community, culture, and academic brilliance. Here is a glimpse into the myriad of events that have made our journey remarkable. The campus sparkled with joy as we celebrated Garba Group Fest and Ganesh Chaturthi, brimming with energy and joy. Krishna Janmashtami and Raksha Bandhan filled hearts with festively bonding and sweet memories. The spirit of Hindi Divas added a touch of cultural pride, inspiring everyone to cherish our rich heritage. Independence Day celebration and the investiture ceremony nurtured patriotism and leadership. Teachers' Day, Engineers' Day, and International Tiger Day engaged students in culture, learning, and community. Poster making, slogan writing, declamation, fireless cooking, and graduation ceremonies encouraged creativity and confidence. Scholar and gold badge ceremonies and friendly teacher-student matches celebrated achievement and sportsmanship. Our pre-primary stars too have shone brightly this year, learning with joy, curiosity, and creativity. Through rich experiential learning, our little ones explored and discovered concepts beyond the classroom. They took part in engaging activities like the farmers market, exhibition, learning-led program, interview on ways to save water, cooking activity, sand forest exploration, and poster making, to name a few. Each experience adding fun and meaning to their learning journey, adding a touch of drama and imagination. Our young learners also performed dramatic plays on themes like explore our environment, fire station, ocean, fun, and a rainforest adventure. Truly our youngest learners have shown that learning is most beautiful when it is joyful, hands-on, and full of wonder. Our gifted music teacher, Mr. Manish Dev, entered the India Book of Records for performing on 28 musical instruments in just 17 minutes and 31 seconds. As such, he can play more than 75 instruments. So maybe in the coming years, he is going to break his own record. A spectacular testament to talent and dedication, he has also cleared Akashvani Grade 3 examination and has been recognized as an Akashvani artist also now. Three of our team members, our academic director, Ms. Nikita Porwal, our academic coordinator, Mr. Abhishek Pauranik, and our administrative officer, Ms. Pinky Nair, achieved training of the trainer certification organized by the Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, DOPT, Government of India, and the Training Unit, Central Board of Secondary Education. An achievement that I hope will contribute to our shared vision of excellence in education and holistic development. Mr. Naman Sanghi, one of our esteemed teachers, was honored with the Best Educator Award by Free Press for his outstanding contribution to education. Also, yours truly was humbled to be recognized among India's elite 25 visionary educators by Artemis Education Solutions Kautil Educators Forum, an honor that I dedicate to my team of devoted teachers whose unwavering commitment continues to make our collective vision a reality. At BOMIS, our educators are the architects of excellence and their professional growth remains at the heart of our vision. Happy Classroom Workshop inspired joyful, student-centric teaching for engaging learning experiences. Birla Teachers Training empowered faculty with innovative methodologies and forward-thinking pedagogies. Workshop by eminent educationists enriched classroom management and experiential learning approaches. Session on creative and critical thinking strengthened instruction innovations and reflecting practice. Each teacher devoted over 50 hours to professional enrichment, reflecting an unwavering commitment to lifelong learning. And this is the guideline as per NEP 2020 that each teacher, including principal, must complete a 50 hours training program in an academic session. We have completed more than that. Students participated in a traffic safety workshop led by Mr. Manoj Kumar Khatri, Assistant Commissioner of Police. Eco-friendly Ganesha making workshop encouraged sustainable practices among parents and students. ARPF session, a session promoting environmental awareness and inspiring students to protect nature. Beyond the Horizons, a session guiding students toward global education and competitive excellence. As part of Community Helpers theme, professionals such as hydrologist, geologist, engineer, plumber, and Panditji were invited to interact with the children, helping them understand the value of every role in our community. Under the vision Global Horizons, Limitless Dreams, I had the privilege of visiting the IC3 conference at Geo World Convention Center, Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai, and met the representatives of the many foreign universities of the countries like UK, USA, Finland, Sydney, and New Zealand to strengthen global career pathways for our students. Our director, Ms. Nikita Porwal, hosted and engaged in a meaningful dialogue with delegates from the University of Tokyo, exploring future academics, collaborations, and cross-cultural opportunities. In keeping with our vision of nurturing leadership and responsibility, the school proudly established its first student council this year. Through a transparent process of nominations and interviews, the council aims to give students a voice in school affairs and instill values of teamwork, accountability, and empathy. This initiative marks a significant step towards shaping confident, compassionate, and participative young leaders. In recognition to our unwavering commitment to academic excellence and world-class standards, Birla Open Minds International School Indore has proudly been designated as a center for AISSE and AISSCE examinations, reaffirming our position as a premier institution nurturing the leaders and achievers of tomorrow. At Birla Open Minds International School, education goes beyond academics. It nurtures adaptability, resilience, and compassion. Through engaging workshops and thoughtfully designed activities, we build confidence, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, empowering students to thrive in every sphere of life. Some of our enriching life skills initiatives include fire safety, stitching workshop, teaching the student basics of stitching. The Focus Fiesta sharpened young minds through a blend of art, coordination, and creative challenges. In Read Smart, Live Smart, students explored the world of product labels, learning to be informed and responsible consumers. Through sessions like first aid and dressing and loops and knots, our students learn practical independence and self-care. Activities like Wrap It Up and Chopsticks Chronicles added fun and finesse, turning everyday actions into lesson in discipline, confidence, and grace. Many more life skill activities await, shaping our students to shine with confidence on the grand stage called life. Instilling values and fostering a sense of responsibility among students are vital components of our educational philosophy. Swachhta Hi Seva Mission, actively participating in cleanliness drives to promote hygiene and environmental awareness. The Joy of Giving, a heartfelt donation trip where students and teachers contributed to bringing smiles to the less privileged. Visit to Astha Vriddhajan Ashram, fostering respect and care for the elderly through meaningful interactions. Visit to Sanjeevani Child Care Center, encouraging empathy and understanding by engaging with children in need. Each of these immersive experiences has instilled in our students a profound sense of cultural pride, empathy, and collaborative spirit. Learning stepped out of the classroom and into the world beyond as our students embarked on enriching journeys of discovery and wonder. Our pre-primary explorers visited the Indore Zoo, their eyes gleaming with awe as they discovered the vibrant world of animals and nature. A visit to the Dainik Bhaskar printing press offered students a fascinating behind the scene look at the dynamic journey of news, from newsroom to newspaper. At the serene Pagdandi Ecoform, students experience the harmony of sustainable living, cultivating respect for nature and the environment. Each visit was a vibrant chapter of experiential learning, nurturing curiosity, awareness, and a deep sense of connection with the world around them. At Burmese, we take immense pride in celebrating the harmonious blend of academic brilliance, cultural vibrancy, and social responsibility. Each achievement marks a milestone in our collective journey, a journey dedicated to shaping tomorrow's leaders with character, competence, and compassion. As our new campus nears completion, we stand on the threshold of an exciting new chapter, one that reflects our commitment to providing a world-class learning environment. Spacious classrooms, state-of-the-art laboratories, and thoughtfully designed activity zones already embody our vision of holistic education. The forthcoming sports amenities will add yet another dimension, enriching the physical and emotional well-being of our learner. A significant development awaits us. A 100-feet wide main road is soon to pass through our current sports area, which is behind this screen, placing our school prominently on one of the city's prime arteries. This transformation will bring unparalleled visibility, accessibility, and connectivity, further strengthening our standing as a leading institution of learning. In alignment with this change, our sports facilities will now conveniently situated to the right of the reception gate of easy access. We are also delighted to announce the addition of new and exciting spaces, a basketball court, pickleball court, and a skating ring, all being developed on the terrace of our school building. These additions will infuse fresh energy into our sports culture and reaffirm our unwavering beliefs in fitness, fun, and holistic growth. As we reflect upon the milestone of the past, our gaze remains fixed on the road ahead, one illuminated by vision, purpose, and possibility. Our mission extends far beyond academics. It encompasses the nurturing of values, resilience, and wisdom that empower our students to face life's challenges with confidence and grace. None of these achievements would have been possible without the dedication of our teachers, the trust of our parents, and the spirit of our students. Together, we are not merely running a school, we are building a legacy, crafting a story, excellence that will continue to inspire generations to come. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. These timeless words beautifully reflect the guiding philosophy of Birla Open Minds International School, a place where learning transcends textbooks and ignites a lifelong passion for discovery. With these words, I welcome you all, and once again, and the best part is that we are observing for last 3-4 days, the weather is also playing symphony with our theme, that is the rasas, navras. Sometimes it is something looking like Raudra, sometimes it is looking Bhayankar, but God is very kind to us, and that today weather is very pleasant, and we are sure that we all will enjoy Celestia 2025. Thank you, everyone.